Finding the best all-in-one food processor can make cooking feel easier and less messy, especially when you want one tool that chops, slices, mixes, and saves time in a busy kitchen. The best all-in-one food processor handles daily meals smoothly, and from my own use, I've learned that comfort, ease of cleaning, and steady performance matter more than extra features. After testing different models and following what home cooks and kitchen experts recommend, I've seen what truly works for everyday cooking in real homes. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. All product links in description, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Koios 4-in-1 Blender and Food Processor. The Koios 4-in-1 blender and food processor impressed me with its 4-in-1 versatility, combining a blender, food processor, spice grinder, and meat chopper in one compact system. I loved the 1000-watt motor, which effortlessly handled smoothies, frozen drinks, salsas, and even grinding spices. The set includes a 34-ounce pitcher, 22-ounce blending cup, 22-ounce chopper bowl, and 11-ounce grinder cup, giving plenty of capacity for family meals or personal prep. Safety features like the lid lock, non-slip suction mace, and overheating protection made me feel confident using it every day. Cleanup is simple since all removable parts are dishwasher safe, and the BPA-free materials feel sturdy and safe. I also appreciated the manual speed dial for precise control over textures. For a budget-friendly, multifunctional appliance, this Koios system delivers solid performance. My only minor note is the pitcher's size can feel bulky on smaller counters. Number 4. Matorol 11-in-1 Blender and Food Processor. The Matorol 11-in-1 blender and food processor is a versatile kitchen helper that handles chopping, mixing, mincing, slicing, shredding, pureeing, and dough with ease. I was impressed by its 11 multifunctional attachments, which cover almost every task without needing extra appliances. The dual lock protection gives peace of mind, ensuring the machine only runs when everything is securely locked, which is great for safety in busy kitchens. The 14-cup food processor and 1.5-liter blender jar have plenty of capacity, making large batches of smoothies, sauces, or dough effortless. With 4 speed settings and a pulse option, I could control textures precisely. Cleanup is easy since all removable parts are dishwasher safe, and the BPA-free materials feel durable and safe. This all-in-one setup is perfect for home cooks who want convenience and versatility. My only minor note is the 600-watt motor takes a bit longer for very tough ingredients. Number 3. HoninJoy 10-in-1 Blender and Food Processor. The HoninJoy 10-in-1 blender and food processor surprised me with its 1300-watt max power, handling smoothies, ice crushing, and dough with ease. I loved the complete accessory kit, which includes a 1.5-liter glass pitcher, 2-liter food processor bowl, 80-gram grinder jar, and 24-ounce sport bottle, everything I need without extra gadgets. The smart presets make cooking simple. One-touch functions for chop, puree, dough, and slicing take the guesswork out of meal prep. Cleanup is effortless since all detachable parts are dishwasher safe, and the BPA-free materials feel durable and safe. This all-in-one setup is perfect for home cooks who want convenience and versatility. My only minor note is the motor can get warm with heavy continuous use, but the 2-minute cooldown helps. Number 2. Ninja Kitchen System All-in-One Blender TB401. The Ninja Kitchen System All-in-One Blender TB401 stands out with its 1800-watt motor, which powers through thick dough, ice, and frozen fruits effortlessly. I love the BlendSense technology, guiding the speed automatically for perfectly smooth results without guesswork. The XL 72-ounce pitcher is ideal for making large batches for family or entertaining, while the 64-ounce food processor bowl makes chopping, pureeing, and dough mixing a breeze. The included slicing and shredding disc simplifies veggie and cheese prep, saving time during meal prep. I also appreciate the 24-ounce single-serve cup for quick shakes or smoothies on the go. The variable speed settings give extra control when I need precision for recipes. Cleanup is straightforward with dishwasher-safe parts. For anyone seeking a best all-in-one blender and food processor, this Ninja model combines power, versatility, and convenience, though its height can be a bit much for smaller counters. Number 1. Ninja Kitchen System 8-Cup Food Processor and Blender. The Ninja Kitchen System 8-Cup Food Processor and Blender is a powerhouse in any kitchen. This model impressed me with its 1500-watt motor, which crushes ice and blends frozen fruit effortlessly. I loved the total crushing technology in the XL pitcher. It turns ice into snow in seconds, perfect for smoothies and cocktails. The 8-cup food processor bowl handled dough and veggies evenly, making meal prep so much faster. 2 of the 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups are a game changer for quick on-the-go shakes. I also appreciate the 4 versatile functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve, which adapt to almost any recipe. Cleanup is simple thanks to BPA-free, dishwasher-safe parts. If you cook often or entertain in the US, this all-in-one setup fits perfectly in most kitchens. My only minor gripe is the pitcher is bulky for small counters, but the results make it worth it.
Final verdict. After testing all these options, I personally recommend Ninja Kitchen System 8-Cup Food Processor and Blender as the best overall product. It delivers strong power, consistent performance, and everyday versatility that fits most kitchens and meal prep tasks. For a specific need, I recommend Ninja Kitchen System All-in-One Blender TB401 as a great choice if you want extra power and advanced blending features for larger batches or more complex recipes. Both options stand out in their ways, whether you want reliable performance day after day or a model with more control and capacity. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the food processor that fits your style and needs best.